Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13203 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2015 Chevrolet Colorado. For a better view of the installation, we'll be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. To begin, remove the spare tire to provide more room for the installation. Remove the center bracket by removing the 4 bolts. Next, remove the 2 bolts located here. Be sure to support the bumper with jack stands or remove it entirely, as these bolts support the bumper. If removing the bumper, first disconnect all electrical components connecting the bumper to the vehicle. Remove the 2 bolts supporting the bumper on either side of the vehicle. In this example, we removed the bumper entirely. Remove the 4 bolts securing the cross member or the factory installed hitch to the frame rail. Remove the cross member or factory installed hitch. Reinstall the bumper. Raise the hitch into position. Fasten the hitch to the frame with the previously removed bolts and washers. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Nice shooting, Tex. Reinstall the spare tire. This completes the installation of the CURT 13203 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2015 Chevrolet Colorado. Check out all the CURT products for your ride, and thank you for watching this video. Now you can bring it.
CURT, the first name in towing products.